What medical expenses qualify for tax benefits? Imagine turning your medical bills into a way to save money on your taxes. It might sound too good to be true, but certain medical expenses can actually help lower your taxable income. If you or your family have had significant health costs, understanding what qualifies can make a real difference come tax time. Medical expenses that qualify for tax benefits are costs you pay out of pocket for health care that are not reimbursed by insurance. This includes visits to doctors, dentists, surgeons, chiropractors, psychiatrists, and psychologists. If you paid for these services yourself, they count. You can also include insurance premiums for medical or long-term care insurance if you paid them directly and not through your employer. Prescription medications, insulin, and items like dentures, eyeglasses, contact lenses, hearing aids, crutches, wheelchairs, and service animals are all deductible. If you bought these items for health reasons, they qualify. Costs for reproductive health are also included, such as pregnancy tests, birth control, breast pumps, lactation supplies, and fertility treatments like in vitro fertilization. If you attended addiction treatment programs or weight loss programs prescribed by a doctor for a specific disease, those expenses count too. However, general health club memberships or diet foods that are not prescribed do not qualify. Transportation costs to and from medical appointments are deductible, including mileage, bus fare, and parking fees. But meals and lodging are only deductible if you are traveling for a medical conference related to a disease affecting you or your family. Non-cosmetic surgeries like breast reconstruction after a mastectomy or laser surgery are eligible expenses. Hospital stays and nursing home costs for you, your spouse, or your dependents also qualify. To claim these deductions, your total itemized medical expenses must be more than 7.5% of your adjusted gross income. For example, if your adjusted gross income is $40,000, only expenses above $3,000 are deductible. Remember, you need to itemize deductions on your tax return, and your total medical expenses must surpass the standard deduction for your filing status to benefit. For Black families, keeping detailed records of all medical payments, insurance premiums, and related costs can help maximize these deductions. Consulting with a tax professional can also ensure you're claiming everything you're eligible for. In short, qualifying medical expenses are unreimbursed costs that exceed 7.5% of your adjusted gross income and are directly linked to health care needs. This broad category includes medical, dental, vision, and transportation costs related to your health. Being aware of these rules can help you reduce your taxable income and keep more money in your pocket.